Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're playing Crewmates. It's another game kind of like Among Us. Oh shoot, I'm black or dark green. I'm gonna stick with black then. Maybe a cute beanie. Ooh, I like the beanie a lot. Yeah, I like this a lot more. Okay. I don't know how you play, so it's our first time playing. I can't tell ya. We are not allowed to tell each other. Oh, you're okay. I got med bay. Let me see where med bay is.
I got admin. Dude, got admin.
True, I also got admin. So, and it's so damn cute. It's so damn cute. I don't know why. Okay, I suspect that admin. Yeah, admin is just as hard. What? I have no idea why they're calling a meeting. What? No, it's not. No, it's not. He was doing admin. Guys gotta trust the two of us crewmate. I think he's crewmate. I don't know if he's actually. I got med bay. I got med bay. So not me. So not me.
You got sauce.
Come watch me. Come watch me. Give me a second. I need to find med bay. This way's med bay. Man, I gotta do my med bay scan. There's no one. Okay, yeah, you can be the person proving that I'm innocent. You actually see it? Awesome.
Oh, just say that I actually saw it.
Oh. But yeah.
What?
Let me see my taxes. I don't have reactor. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You need to make sure if it's the download or the actual weapon. So, like, you probably shouldn't hit it.
Very weird. Oh yeah, guys, if you guys don't know, I am orange, by the way, if you guys don't know.
Yeah. So my little brother is orange.
Because I am, so yeah, because both of my favorite colors are, yeah.
And I might have accidentally forgot to tell you guys that my little brother is hair.
Yeah.
But you guys might have.
Guys, my username is Thomas Love Ice Cream.
They know you've been in my videos every single day. Okay.
Gotta go check left.
And look at me.
Again.
Okay. And I might have forgot to tell you guys,
This is
but
you.
I might have forgot to tell you guys, but you guys might have guessed it that my little brother was already here since he was talking. And and also because he was here most of the times. And I really apologize.
Leo, come on.
Okay. As I
Sorry
was,
for saying your name.
it's fine. That's my nickname.
I never call her Gio.
Yeah. Okay. So as I was saying, as I was saying before my brother really interrupted, I am very sorry for not recording for such a long time.
Yeah.
Due to coronavirus, we had a lot of stuff to do. So yeah. And card swipe is hard.
Yeah, I can't even get my card out. Can't get my card out.
Okay, give us like 3 whole minutes. Okay, finally, I did it.
I can't do it. My cord won't come out.
Give me a second. I'm gonna go help him.
Yeah, guys, it's really hard. Don't play this game if you have very bad thing with enemy card one.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Wait. Cindy Blue is dead.
Well, that's Keon who actually got
Blue is dead. Dead. I'm gonna vote pink because we saw blue like a minute ago. If you guys were looking, if you guys saw who it is,
It was actually dark blue instead of like Keon.
if you guys
I
saw,
was the one who actually, yeah.
if you guys saw who it is, please say it down in the comments below, or else I'm gonna have to watch my own video because I was busy helping my brother, so I couldn't see it. You guys might be yelling at me. Hey, blah 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 is the imposter and you voted the wrong person. Or I might have voted the right person or something like that. Yeah, don't blame me, please. Anyways, I don't know what else to say. Oh, wait. I knew she was sus.
Come on, Keon. Let's go.
White is also AFK. We better stick together. Okay,
Come on.
if
But admin. Let's start reacting.
let's start reactor because Ed is admin. We can always save for later.
I'm always gonna make my shield.
I doubt anyone else would be blaming you. I got electrical, and just take a moment to look how cute we are.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Okay, this map is huge. I'm gonna try to turn around while you're doing my task, so I can like see them. Oh my goodness! Good thing these are slow, cause I'm like really bad at them. Oh my! Oh, how did I? No, you can go do your admin.
No, I'm gonna leave.
It's fine, I'll be fine. We can run to each other if the imposter tries to kill us. Something like that. No. Ah, dang it. That's why I do not like this thing. I'm very bad at timing.
No, I'm good.
Literally.
Oh,
That's why I don't play Cooking Mama.
Mama.
No, why did I have to fail on the last one?
Bop. And then
Bam! Finally! Okay, let's go. Oh wait, I still have one more task in here. Give me a second. Only take us. Ah! Ah! It's so long. It's long. Oh goodness. He just jumped. Oh, sorry, headphone user, for if I was.
killed in front of me.
Oh wait, the other two are AFK. No wait. Okay, good. White isn't AFK. What? Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, it's really not me, it's mine.
Let them kill themselves. I'm probably gonna make this title called "The People Won't Listen to Us." These two over here are probably trying to hit the emergency button. Meanwhile, let's go finish our tasks. I still had one here before Lime killed me, so let's do that. Then we got one over here. No. Okay.
I beg you guys, vote mine.
And guys, we are going to be recording very soon from now. I do not know when, maybe tomorrow, maybe on Sunday, and then I'll record another new video. Don't forget to check out my little brother's channel. I'm gonna link it at the very end of the video. Stay tuned to check out his channel.
Yeah,
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. GG. I don't like the camera view. I mean not liking the camera view. I never liked the camera view. I think that's good. Let me see if I can get a different color, because I don't really like this. There's color.
I'm a police. Police here. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Yay! I didn't do anything. No, I'm trying to beat. Oh, never mind. Oh, sorry guys. I accidentally took a screenshot. I look a lot worse. Oh my god, there's two police officers. Okay, yeah. I got shields.
I got 2B.
Okay. I'm just gonna stand right here and pretend I'm doing.
Go do something else. Come on.
Yeah, let's go.
Good. I told you this while I'm here.
Oh my. Police officer.
Come on.
She scared me half to death. Hey, where are you? Okay. Yeah. I don't like how I'm purple anymore. But whatever. I think it's a self-report because I saw it. Think so. I'm not sure. Sorry, I don't speak that. Sorry, I don't speak that. Wish I did. You voted me?
No, I voted okay.
No, you didn't. You voted me.
No, I voted okay.
No, you didn't.
No, yes, I did.
I saw you.
Come on.
The next one on my cell phone is yellow. Because, like, yellow was also there.
Yeah?
No, I'm not.
Where are you?
I'm an admin.
Admin?
Yeah. Do my task. chances. Wait, no you don't. Oh, okay, whatever. I'll be in storage. Cool. Mario's in storage. And hopefully I don't have to go to electrical because I don't know when we go past there. Oh my.
Yeah, as I told you guys, this thing is very.
It's not very hard. It's just that I keep on. Okay, I got security next, so you have to walk past there anyway, so you can do your task. Ugh. What the? No. It's fine, I'm watching. Give me a second. I think White is faking a task. He's standing there for an awful long time. But let me finish my tasks first. Jeez.
Watching yellow.
Our cams are on. Alright. Okay, so White. Let me double check if White's still there. Yep, okay, he's still faking a task. But then of course we won't have enough proof. Nah, it's fine. We'll go back. Girl, you have serious walking issues. Oh, he left the game, so we can't. It's fine. So it wasn't him, or else the game would have ended. Okie dokie. Let me just... In where? Med? Alright. Oh, it's called navigation. Wait. Didn't we see you, like, in cafeteria, like, a minute ago? He must have entered. And now he's following us. No, I'm not. Oh, I got shields. Hey, peeps, watch me do shields.
Yeah, but you have to see if someone actually can see.
I don't know. I just did it. I got comms. And...
My last task is sacking.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we can go past there on the way to admin. Just give me a second to empty the trash. This one you guys probably can see. Oh my goodness. See? Did you guys see any? Oh, so well. You got... We can go there after we go to admin, because I have a task right here, which only takes... I know, he's like right near us. And we should probably also check out security. Like... Okay. Oh, I thought it was yellow. Huh. If yellow doesn't talk, I'm gonna vote him. Yellow, what do you have to say? Yellow, what do you have to say? I still really feels black. Why'd you vote yellow out? Just asking. gonna be our last round before I end the video. So yeah, let's get ourselves some nice looking stuff. Ew. Ooh, pink is open. Nice. I look like Janet. Oh, we can change our name. Hang it. I can't move. Oh my. Okay, now I can move. Oh, you look so good. Alright, then stop moving all over the place. I got weapons. Tell me if you can actually see me do them. Oh my. Sorry. For closing the damn task. Stressful. What? What? Okay, now I sell the red for asking where. But I can't sell him that much since two people left and he must have not seen me. So, like, I must skip. I must skip. Downvoted black. Some black, is it? I don't know. Yeah, they did it. Put the meeting in.
Oh my god! What is black or so sauce? Yeah, didn't you see my hat actually? Sometimes I feel like bounces
Cool. Okay.
Now can I please start my...
Mm-hmm. Yes, Not leaving. I'm outside the door.
Okay, let's go Casper's.
My tasses. What else? Okay, then let's do shields first. It's fine, I'll be watching. Come on, they're leaving. Okay, yeah, that's so bright. Get me out of here. Sure, I got fixing wires and download. No. Yeah. No, upload data. Wait. It's fine, I'll see. Oh my. That's why I said. Okay, I guess we have enough time for one more round, right? I'm gonna look for a nice. How do I look? yeah, I just realized I never showed you guys my new character. Okay, we're not allowed to tell each other, so... Alright, do you have, like, anything that can prove that you're... Okay. Guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but... Okay, guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but Jaden can't. So, like, yeah. I'm an imposter. I don't really want to kill him, so he can, like, think I'm innocent. Okay. Okay, yeah. What? What, Brown? What? What? Sorry, guys, for my horrible singing, but still. Don't forget we're playing Crewmates next time. Maybe you guys can join us. Hopefully you aren't sus for voting black. Brown. No, not black, brown. Oh my god. Okay, let's see how this works. Hey. Where are you again? Oh, here you are. Let's see ya. What do you mean? I didn't see you. I just walked right past you because I have my map open. I got the demo test. Am I waiting for me? Alright. I'll come watch you. Yeah, I can't really see it, but still. I saw the taskbar go up. Oh, I got damaged. And I'm done. Let's go. Okay, guys, this must be the part of my car. Where?
Yeah, if you guys don't know, since how long she hasn't recorded is how long my tooth is.
And this is about a gaming video, not about YouTube. Please don't talk about YouTube. But whatever. Was with Cyan. I was with yeah. So guys, that was the truth. I was with Cyan.
AKA me.
AKA my brother.
What's else?
Pink or yellow? Wow.
Yellow, pink, or cyan.
Not Cyan. Not Cyan. Okay, that means I can't move. My goodness. Okay, finally I can move. At first I couldn't move. I just realized, since we've been playing for so long, there wasn't one sabotage yet. I'm starting to wonder if there's actually sabotages in this game. Where are you? I lost you. Okay, I'll be coming. Yeah. It's fine, I'll protect you. Okay, let's go. Where are we heading next? Alright. I don't know. Where? That also means thank you. Here. My. Was with cyan. What's with cyan? Admin. What? You were in admin. You were an admin. My goodness. Goodness.
Bye-bye.
What? Black, don't you? It's not me. No, wow. What if you can, like, if I was imposter, I would, like, just hit sabotage right now.
Wait, can you actually not, if you're the talker, can you not sabotage that out?
I don't think so. I don't know, though. GG. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right. But for now, we will be back. Hit that like button and subscribe button if you liked it. And that's all for today's video. Bye.